How to fix Play Store pending problem. In this video guys, we will talk about how to solve and fix this on your Google Play Store. Just watch this video till the end. So first, open the settings of your phone and go directly to apps. Here on apps you have to search for Google Play Store. Open Google Play Store like this when you found it, then go to storage option. Here click on clear data, click OK and go back, and click on first stop and click OK. And what's next? Now go to change system setting. If you found it like this, if you found it like this, you have to turn on it like this. So that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.